In this video, I'll show you how to configure Quote and Cut using the guided setup wizard. The first step connects the website to Quote and Cut. Enter your API key and, where required, your activation token. By default, Quote and Cut uses the currency already configured in WooCommerce, although you can choose a different currency here if needed. These connection details can also be reviewed or changed later from the main Quote and Cut settings page. Next, choose the machine profile that most closely matches your laser. The available presets include 3, 6, and 12 kilowatts, along with a custom option. The selected profile provides starter values for hourly rates, gas costs, handling charges, and material cutting data. For this example, we'll use the balanced 6 kilowatt profile. Now choose how the sheet material should be charged. Full sheet charges for the entire sheet. Prorated pricing charges according to the nest footprint, while straight cutoff prices the used length across the sheet. For this example, we'll use prorated pricing. The materials step can create a starter material catalog. First, select the standard sheet size normally used by your business. Expand a material family and select the grades and thicknesses that you normally stock. Here, we'll add 3, 5, and 10 mm S275 carbon steel. The wizard will create starter prices and cutting data for the selected material. When Quote and Cut Advanced is installed, the wizard can also prepare secondary processes. Enable folding and select the press brake preset that most closely matches your equipment. The preset provides initial component limits based on the selected type of folding equipment. Next, enable powder coating and choose the booth or oven preset that most closely matches your coating setup. Enter the expected powder coverage rate. You can also preload the standard RAL color palette, ready for individual color and finish prices to be added later. The wizard sets the initial process limits, but detailed folding and powder coating prices can be completed afterwards on the secondary processes page. The review step summarizes the connection details, selected machine, pricing model, material, and secondary process choices. On a new installation, enable this option to apply the profile starter hourly rate, gas prices, markups, and cutting defaults. When rerunning the wizard on an existing store, leave it disabled to preserve the current pricing. All starter prices and cutting data should be checked against your actual material costs, machinery, and workshop rates before accepting live customer orders. Click Apply Settings and Finish to save the configuration and open the main Quote and Cut settings page. The selected machine and pricing settings are now in place. The selected S275 thicknesses have also been added to the material catalog, ready for their prices to be reviewed. Quote and Cut is now ready for its pricing values to be checked and for the first test quotation to be completed.